What's that on my head? You know, right here. Hey, there's a bird on your head. A bird? Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! How would you react if you had a bird on your head? Like right here. I like this bird. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there's two birds on your head. Two birds. Oh no. There's two birds on my head. They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are. They're lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Oh my. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Why would they? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. What do you think happened next? Do you think there's gonna be more eggs on his head? Or do you think there's gonna be less? Or no more eggs, actually? We'll see.